Hello! Here are a couple of tips about the importance of AC maintenance for home units in Kendall, Miami. In Kendall, Miami, where the heat and humidity can be relentless, a well-functioning air conditioning unit is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Proper maintenance of your home AC unit ensures you stay cool and comfortable while avoiding costly repairs or replacements. Ignoring regular maintenance can lead to a host of problems, from skyrocketing energy bills to complete system breakdowns. Trust our team at Centry Air Designs for expert AC maintenance to keep your unit running efficiently year-round. So, why AC maintenance is essential in Kendall? Air conditioners work tirelessly in Miami's tropical climate, often running continuously for months. Without regular maintenance, your AC unit can suffer from wear and tear that reduces its efficiency and lifespan. So, how can you maintain your AC unit correctly? To ensure your AC unit operates smoothly, follow these maintenance tips and schedule professional services regularly. 1. Change filters regularly. Dirty filters restrict airflow, reducing efficiency and increasing energy consumption. Replace filters every 1-2 months or more often if you have pets or allergies. 2. Clean the coils. Dirt on the evaporator and condenser coils impairs heat absorption and release, reducing coolant power. Annual professional cleaning is essential. 3. Check refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant levels can compromise your AC ability to cool your home effectively. A professional technician can inspect and refill refrigerant safely. 4. Inspect the thermostat. Ensure your thermostat is working correctly to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. 5. Schedule regular tune-ups. Professional maintenance includes a thorough inspection, cleaning, and tune-up of all components to prevent unexpected breakdowns. Schedule your AC maintenance today with Centry Air Designs. Call 305-458-5022 or visit our website to book your appointment. Stay cool, save money, and enjoy cleaner air with expert care.